After a GLP-1 treatment, patient noticed she's losing volume and firmness in her face and body. We began with a consultation to understand her skin's concern, and of course we tailor-made the treatment plan specifically to restore her collagen and volume. We chose Sculptra because it provides a natural restoration of volume by stimulating your own collagen from your own body. My first choice is Sculptra, but of course we can use or combine Juvederm, Lenisna or Julaine. These were her results. GLP-1 can change your body, but you can restore your volume and skin vitality. Book today your free skin assessment and we will help you to find the right treatment for you.